Ready? Start. That the Railway Board issued another letter dated 2/8/2005, whereby it was decided that all commission oblique vendors bearers to be absorbed, subject to medical fitness with age cutoff as 59 years as on 1/4/2005 with education qualifications as read and write only. Stop. It is submitted that due to the delay in absorption of the commission bearers oblique vendors, the Railway Board provided that even if the commission bearers oblique vendors have attained the age of 59 years but had not superannuated, they will be absorbed. Stop para. It is contended that from the aforesaid facts and the various orders passed by the Railway Board and this court, it would show that the commission vendors oblique bearers were taken in the railway services by way of absorption in view of the facts and circumstances prevailing then, and these commission bearers oblique vendors were discharging duties similar to those discharged by the vendors bearers of the railway canteen. Stop. It is submitted that as such the delay in absorption by different zones oblique divisions of the railway was in violation of this court's order. Stop. That in view of the delay and negligence of the Northern Railway in not implementing the Railway Board's order dated 13/12/1976 and the order passed by this court, a number of writ petitions were filed by the commission vendors oblique bearers, which can be seen from the judgment given by the Delhi High Court dated 5/11/2012 in Gurudas Ram and others versus Union of India and others in writ petition civil number 5175 of 1998 and CM number 14513 of 2010. Stop. It is submitted that it is pursuant to the judgment of the Delhi High Court in the case of Gurdas Ram and others within bracket supra that the respondents herein were absorbed in class 3. Stop para. It is submitted that learned single judge in the case of Gurdas Ram and others supra issued a mandamus to the respondents within bracket Northern Railway to absorb eligible petitioners who have not crossed age of 59 years in Group C posts against vacant posts of this category after such eligible petitioners formally make an application to seek absorption in Group C posts. Stop. It is submitted that the judgment of the learned single judge in Gurdas Ram and others supra was accepted by the Northern Railway and the appointments were given to the respondents herein as well as to the others in the post of canteen waiter in grade pay of rupees 5200 to 20,200 plus GP 1800. Stop para. On the issue whether the commission vendors oblique bearers after their absorption on a permanent sanction post in the railways are entitled for pension, Sri Sanjay Parekh, learned senior advocate, has made the following submissions. First, initially these commission vendors oblique bearers were working on contractual basis and thereafter they were absorbed and become permanent railway employees on different dates. Stop. That rule 14 of the railway services within bracket pension rules 1993 provides that periods of employment in the capacities mentioned from 1 to 14 shall not constitute service for pensionary benefits. Stop. The clause 14 of rule 14 contains an exception, namely that when employment on contract basis is followed by confirmation. Stop.